Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from radical expressions. Here we have to simplify cube root of 6 over 9 minus 5 square root 3 plus fourth root of 4 over 7 minus 4 square root 3. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e first. Now I will call 6 over 9 minus 5 root 3 a and fourth root of 4 over 7 minus 4 root 3 b. So we need to calculate or find out cube root of a plus b. Now we will calculate a and b separately or simplify separately. A will be equal to 6 over 9 minus 5 root 3. Now I will rationalize my denominator, so I need to multiply with 9 plus 5 root 3 in the numerator and denominator. Now denominator is a minus b times a plus b. In this place we can write a square minus b square using difference of two squares formula. So a will become 6 times 9 plus 5 root 3 over 9 square minus 5 root 3 whole square. Now 9 square is 81. 5 root 3 whole square is 25 times 3, 75. And numerator is 6 times 9 plus 5 root 3. Now 81 minus 75, 6, so we can cancel. So a is coming out 9 plus 5 is square root 3. Now the turn of b. So I will write b equal to fourth root of 4 over 7 minus 4 root 3. So I will rationalize denominator. So I need to multiply 7 plus 4 root 3 in the denominator and in the numerator. Again, difference of two squares formula will be applicable. We can write fourth root of 4 times 7 plus 4 root 3 over 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Further, I can write fourth root of 4 times 7 plus 4 root 3 over 49 minus 16 times 3, 48. So we can write it as fourth root of 4 times 7 plus 4 root 3. Denominator will be 1. Or I can write fourth root of 28 plus 16 is square root 3. Let us find out fourth root. So I will write fourth root of 28 plus 16 is square root 3. Let us split 28 as 16 plus 12. And then we'll be writing 16 root 3. Now can we write 16 as 4 square and 12 as 2 root 3 whole square? Let us write 16 4 square, 12 2 root 3 whole square. And then we can write 16 root 3 as 2 times 4 times 2 root 3, which is 16 root 3. Now this is a square b square plus 2ab. So in this place we can write a plus b whole square. So I can write b will be equal to fourth root of 4 plus 2 root 3 whole square. Now we can cancel square with fourth root, so it will be square root left. 4 plus 2 root 3. Now we will find out this square root also. So let us find out b equal to square root 4 plus 2 square root 3. I can split 4, 3 plus 1, and then we can write it is 2 square root 3. Now 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. 1 can be written as 1 whole square. Then 2 root 3 will be 2 times root 3 times 1. So it is replicating the same identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in this radicand part, we can write it is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Now we can cancel square root with square. So b will become root 3 plus 1. Let's calculate our expression. So a is equal to 9 plus 5 root 3. B is equal to root 3 plus 1. Expression E was cube root of a plus b. So I can write here cube root of a is 9 plus 5 root 3. B is root 3 plus 1. So I can write cube root of 5 root 3 plus root 3, 6 root 3. 9 plus 1, 10. Now I will split 6 root 3 and 10 both. Let us write here. So I will write expression E equal to cube root of 6 root 3 plus 10. So we can split 6 root 3 as 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Then we will be writing 9 and then we will be writing 1, which is in total 10. Now can we write 3 root 3 as root 3 whole cube, 1 as 1 whole cube. Then I can write 9 as, now 9 can be written as 3 times root 3 square times 1. And then we have last term 3 root 3, which we will write 3 times root 3 times 1 square. So it is replicating identity a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which we can write a plus b whole cube. I can write our expression will become cube root of root 3 plus 1 whole cube. Now cube root and cube will be cancelled out. We will get our final answer. It will be equal to square root 3 plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Till next video. Goodbye.